Hey guys, welcome to day one of the 5-day declutter challenge. We are kicking things off in the bathroom. I've got a quick, easy declutter session planned for us today. Grab your trash bag, grab your donate bag, and let's do this together. I guarantee you're gonna find some treasures hiding in your bathroom that you don't use and that you don't need anymore. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to day one of the Declutter in December challenge. We are starting in the bathroom today. I am very excited to be doing a little decluttering in my bathroom. Here's what you need for the challenge. You need to have a trash bag or a trash bin. Here's mine. And you need a donate bag or box. We only have 3 options: donate, trash, or keep. That's it. The challenge, 25 items. If you were able to get 25 items out of your bathroom, either in the trash bin or in the donate bin, then mission accomplished. This challenge actually can have levels depending on how much stuff you have. You can do level 1, which is to challenge yourself to get rid of 25 items. And then if you're like, that didn't even make a dent, you can go to level 2 and challenge yourself to get rid of 50 items. Level 3, maximum ninja, 75 items. Let's get started. I'm aiming for 25 items. I'm gonna start with my makeup and let's see what I find. It doesn't matter what state your bathroom is in, if it's messy or clean, you're simply gonna pick a zone and pick up one single item at a time. And as you hold that item, you're gonna decide, am I going to keep this or am I going to trash it? 90% of the stuff in your bathroom is gonna go into trash or recycle. And that's why I like to start in here. Easy, quick decision making. Let's go through what I have found and count up my items. So the reason I had a second donate bag is because I knew I would find a lot of MAC products, and these, if you take them to the MAC store, you can recycle them and they give you some sort of like credit. So okay, lipsticks, I'm getting rid of lipsticks. I don't wear them. I don't like the way that it feels or tastes. This lip liner I bought years ago. It's just too dark for me now. All right, so let's count up how many items we have. I put all the MAC items in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These I'm getting rid of because powder items now on my skin as I get older, powder just doesn't look good on me. I like a liquid blush more than this powder one, and this I've had this for so long. It's pretty much gone, as you can see the end of it here. 6, 7, I don't use this ever. 8, 9 MAC products. Oh, 10, yeah, this foundation is way too dark for me. It was actually my mom's and I used to mix it with another foundation, and I don't need to do that. So 10 MAC products. This is pretty much gone. You know what, I'm gonna throw this away. 11, this is a great product. I just don't like the way that it tastes and it's so pretty. Definitely want to give this to my niece. Donate bag. This one, trash. Makeup done, 14 items out in trash and donate. And I'm gonna move on to skincare. The main question you're gonna use if you're struggling to let go of something in here is, do I use this? If it hasn't been used in 6 months and it's in your bathroom, it's time to let it go. Okay, skincare. Let me show you what I'm getting rid of, why, how I thought of things. Okay. Makeup brushes I don't use at all because now I don't even have powder blush or any kind of powder to put on my face. So that is going in the trash. This brush that I bought because I really wanted a different brush and they didn't have it, and I just never use this. This one that came for free with something, again, don't use it, don't need it. All right, this magic cream, this was actually empty. I did use all of this. And then I filled it up when I was traveling with a scar cream, and I honestly hate the smell of this. I didn't use it when I traveled. I don't use it, it's trash. This deodorant that I do not like the smell of, unfortunately, travel size, trash. I bought this when I burned myself in January. I think it's a great cleanser. I just don't use it. I have other cleansers that I prefer. I will donate this because it's brand new, never been used. Let's see. This lotion that I took from a hotel I stayed at this month. I just don't need this. Eyeliner that's like broken, into the trash. This was something that I kept saying I was gonna use, and I just I just don't use it. Gosh, and I still don't. What is my problem with this? Because I know it's expensive. That's what it is. I know it's expensive. And for some reason, if something's expensive, I think I should hold on to it. I've had this for a year. I have not used it at all. No, okay. No. Donate. I'll donate that. Someone might want it. This, I just don't know how to use it. It's like an extra step in my skincare routine I never do. Lactic acid, I don't do it. I have a whole routine I'm doing right now and it doesn't include this. This little sample that is like 90% used. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest on my hand. It's just a really expensive oil. There. It's time to say goodbye. Donate? Trash. Okay, let's see how many items that is. I'll put it on the screen because I don't know right now. 25 items between my makeup and my skincare. That feels awesome. And you know what? I bet if I continued going, oh my gosh, I just know I'd find more. Let me keep going. This is why it's important to pick up everything. This was gonna be sitting here and I just thought, it's a razor, I'll use it. It's all old and crusty and not in usable condition anymore, so that counts. Goodbye. Let's go through this bin here. Instructions, trash. Okay, I love this foot scraper. This is trash. Okay, I'm gonna marry these two. Trash. Oh my gosh, I think it's time to say goodbye to these. I've probably used this, I don't know, maybe 4 times in the last 3 years. These micro needles. Yeah, I don't even think I should donate these because they've been used. These are just gonna have to be trashed. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually gonna let go of these. That's awesome. It counts as 3 more. Oh my gosh, I thought I got rid of this. I don't like the smell. Trash. I need that, I need that. I need that. I need to find a lid for this. This brush here. You know what? This brush sucks. This brush sucks. Trash. Oh God, I need to find a lid for those. I have one nail polish I like to have for an emergency. I think that's reasonable. Giant hairpin. I need like a little pouch to make this area more organized. Let me get one. If you're organizing a junk drawer or a junk box like I am here, the key to not getting overwhelmed is to just go back to picking up the one item and making that one decision. Okay, I'm gonna use this as my little nail pouch. Nail stuff. Perfect. Nail. This is skincare. Belongs out here. Much better. Last time I did my bathroom declutter, I created this box thinking I would use these items, and I haven't used them once, so time to say goodbye. That's why that question is so good. Do I use this? Have I used it in the last 6 months? If not, gotta go. And one more old hair tool in the donation. At this point, I'm on a roll. I'm not stopping. I'm under the sink. I'm going through all my medications really quickly. And what I like about decluttering the bathroom is the decisions you make are so quick because they're really based on what's useful to you. I feel like everything in my bathroom is something that I should be using. And if I'm not using it in a 6-month period, then there's a reason for that, and it's time to let that item go. So things that I store under the sink are things that I use occasionally, like cold and wellness items. But I know overall I want my bathroom to feel as minimalist and streamlined as possible. And those are the feelings I'm going for as I'm sorting through my items. Rid of quite a few of these items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 more items. Okay, I'm gonna do the medicine cabinet and then done. This is all going in the trash. Oh, actually this one I can donate. That's brand new. Very full. One, two, three, four, 5 more items. Actually, 6 more items. Gone. Shower stuff. I'm gonna keep that. Toss this. Let's see up here. I love this. Love that one. Do not love that. That one I love. Almost done with that. I use these. Yeah, okay, keeping all of that. Keeping that. And that. I'm gonna store. One more gone. Okay, under the sink, I'm getting rid of these. I hate the smell of them. I will figure out something else for body sunscreen. This I bought when I got burned and I just never use it, so gonna get rid of that. Stuff down here is more storage. Oh, this is almost done. I'll use it next time I take a bath. 1, 2, 3 more items gone. You see how quickly things add up in the bathroom? I feel like I did a really good job. I'd say 98%, not 100, because there is this bottle of perfume that I haven't worn for a year, but I'm not ready to let go of because I love this fragrance, but I don't think I can handle wearing perfume anymore. But I'm gonna hold on to this. We'll see if I use it. Probably not though. This mask, I need to keep this out on the countertop. It's a great mask. I don't really use face masks. That's what it says. I'm gonna use this once a week until it's gone and then not buy it again. Anyways, pretty good. I am pleased with what we got done today and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 2 of the challenge. Let me know in the comments how your bathroom declutter went. How is your bathroom looking? Any thoughts? Whatever you wanna tell me, let me know.